Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'll be visiting Sime Darby Industrial Sdn Bhd, one of Malaysia's leading company in the heavy equipment industry. We will explore how their supply chain network works and how each department plays a role in keeping operations smooth. Sime Darby Industrial is a global top brand in the heavy equipment industry, and also has partnered with Caterpillar Inc. for over 90 years since 1929. It is also a dealer for top brands like New Holland, Timber, and Perkins, offering sales, rental, and after-sales support for industries such as mining, power generation, construction, and agriculture. So come, join me as we meet the amazing team behind the scenes and see how everything connects at Sime Darby Industrial. First, let's start with the procurement department, the head of product sourcing. Hi, can you share with us how your department works in the supply chain?
Of course, at Sime Darby Industrial, we represent more than 30 international brands, including Caterpillar and Hyster. Our main role is to handle product sourcing from brand new heavy machines and engines to spare parts and attachments. We evaluate suppliers based on quality, reliability, and cost efficiency. Then, we negotiate contracts and make sure all incoming products meet our standards before they reach the warehouse.
That sounds like a huge task. So basically, your team makes sure the company always has the right equipment ready for customers?
Exactly. Without paper sourcing, the entire chain could face delays. So we work closely with suppliers and internal teams to ensure smooth operations.
I see. That's the starting point of the whole supply chain. Let's move on and see what happens after the products arrive. Now, we're here at the warehouse and operation department. Can you tell us what happens once the equipment and parts arrive?
Okay, so once we receive the products, we immediately record and store them using our smart logistics system. This system tracks every part and machine in real time, so we know exactly what's available there. It is very important because our after-sales and rental services now make up around 63% of the company's revenue, meaning we must always have parts ready for the customers.
Wow, I didn't realize warehouse management had such a big impact on revenue. It really shows how essential your department is.
Yes, definitely. We are focusing on improving efficiency by using digital tools to speed up tracking and reduce human error.
That's amazing. Once the equipment is ready to be shipped out, I guess the next part of the chain is logistic, right? Hi, I'm new with the logistic department. Can you share how you manage deliveries across so many regions?
Sure, Sime Darby Industrial operates in more than 16 countries across the Asia-Pacific region, so logistics is definitely one of our biggest challenges. We handle the transportation of heavy machinery, engines and spare parts to customers and service centers. To make this efficient, we collaborate with partners like YCH Group, who helped us develop the supply chain city, Malaysia in Bandar Bukit Raja. This hub allows us to manage warehousing, automated storage and transport connectivity all in one place.
That's impressive. It sounds like logistics play a key role in keeping everything connected.
Exactly. Our goal is to deliver every order safely and on time, no matter how large so far.
That's a strong network. Now, let's talk about what happens after the equipment reaches the customer. Hi, I'm here with the customer service and after-sales team. What's your role in the supply chain process?
Okay, our job starts after customer receive the equipment. We focus on maintenance, repair and rebuild to make sure the machine in top condition. We also handle like service contract and rental support to help customer reduce their downtime and operating costs.
So your team ensures that customer can use the machine for a longer time?
Exactly, yes. That's why the after-sales segment is one of the most profitable area where it can build long-term relationship and trust between our company and customer.
That's great to hear. I also heard that Sime Darby Industrial is going digital. Let's check that out next. Hi there. I'm really curious how digitalization supports the supply chain here at Sime Darby Industrial.
Actually, digitalization is a key part of our operation today, and one of the biggest incentives that we're doing right now is the Industrial Valley. Industrial Valley is actually an e-commerce platform that we launched together with the DG Telecommunications. And it's allow customer to purchase heavy machinery or any merchandise through online, anywhere and everywhere.
Oh, that sounds really convenient. So customer don't need to go through the traditional process anymore?
Exactly. Industrial Valley help to shorten the ordering process, reduce costs and deliver parts straight to the customer doorstep. It's also help us to know the buying patterns, improve service speed, and also create a better overall customer experience.
That's impressive. It shows how Sime Darby Industrial is moving with the Industry 4.0.
Yes, actually, our main vision is to make the entire supply chain more faster, smarter, and also more connected, aligned with the industrial revolution.
That's the future for sure. Next, let's hear how the company manages sustainability in its operations. Hi again. I've noticed Sime Darby Industrial also talk a lot about sustainability. So, can you share with us how that fits into your operation?
Of course, sustainability is one of our core values. Even though we are operating in the heavy business operation, we aim to reduce our environmental impact whenever possible. So, our parent company, Sime Darby Berhad, has committed, as you can see here, they have committed to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emission by the year 2050. So, for us at Sime Darby Industrial, that means focusing on energy efficient operation, optimizing transport routes to reduce the carbon emission, and also we have collaborated with partners like YCH Group and Sime Darby Property to develop smarter and more greener logistical hubs.
That's impressive. It's great to see that sustainability is part of your supply chain strategy. It's not just a side project.
Yeah, so yes, we believe a sustainable supply chain helps to build a stronger and more resilient for both our business and the planet.
Thank you once again, Ms. Tisha, for sharing your valuable insight on Sime Darby Industrial sustainability efforts. And that wraps up our vlog for today. From procurement to sustainability, every department in Sime Darby Industrial Berhad plays an important role in building a powerful and sustainable supply chain network. I have learned so much today about how teamwork, technology, and responsibility come together to make the company successful. Thank you to all departments for sharing your valuable insights, and thank you everyone for watching.